Just update our YouTube channel description and basically tell the PSC nasal filter introduce about first pandemic invention to help to battle the virus, give you an all-time protection to close any protection gap if in a pandemic situation or flu season you want to have a layer protection at all time. And we mentioned about the nasal filter will help you breathe in cleaner air, up to 100 times cleaner. So filter all the dust, pollens, small particles, toxins, all the bad stuff that not supposed to get into your body, to remove it out. So keep the air clean, safe, and to support your lung. And then we also said that the nasal filter is deliver a enhanced breathing quality, breathing experience by and put a moist in the air. And so at the dry season, with the nasal filter, and you can constantly have moist nose. So you never experience a dry nose because the nasal filter can keep the moisture in. And also it can keep the air warmer in the chill winter time. It can decrease the heat loss and keep your nose warm, and then it can help your lung. And another thing we talk about, the nasal filter can regulate the air. For a lot of people, they don't think about it, but for some friends who really struggling about the compromise of their breathing because the function of the nose, they really appreciate that function about I can regulate the airflow. And when I'm breathing, the air not rushing to my lung without resistance, or when I exhale, the air just rush out without giving me enough time so that my oxygen can exchanging. So that I have hyperventilation and I cannot get oxygen, so my body is not functioning well. So for that regulation value regulated air function is really critical to bring the life to normality. So that's really good. So finally, we said this nasal filter really give the public an opportunity that make everybody doesn't matter where you live, and that give you an opportunity. If you want, you have a choice, and that economically and comfortably and also efficiently you can breathe in WHO standard air. So that's the air has the highest standard, like in United States. AQI below 50 considered would be okay air or good air. Usually label is green. In Europe, they have slightly restricted some area. They said AQI below 15 will be better, but the WHO required AQI below 5. So, but actually, this nasal filter are able to bring the air temperature with the AQI under 5. Depends on the filter we're using. What I wear today, that is a 5-layer nasal filter. I have HEPA charcoal filter, and inside I have 2 more layers of medical. So this run really efficiently and filter out all the particles. And also especially I make this design for remove any cooking fuel, right? If you travel on the road, you go to a gas station, and a lot of time their kitchen can be connected to the serving area, so you can smell the cooking, the fry, the fuse. With this one, they will knock out that smell. So you know if you don't smell that, and actually the cooking fuel not get into your lung, so you are kind of protected for your lung function, and also protect your quality or your breathing. So you're not be upset with any like cooking fuel on it. So with that, we updated the YouTube description, so people when walk our channel, walk our video, they can look at our channel to see what's going on. What is the PSC needle filter? Why this guy constantly put a video, and every video he wear his needle filter and talk about it, and is there, what is the value? How they can help me to for my life. If I have struggling regarding the breathing, how this needle filter can help me. So, and then initiate some, willingness to try. I want to try the needle filter. I wanted to see how this one can help me, help my life, help me with my pollens allergy, help me with my breathing de-efficacy, or help me with my hyperventilation, help me with my breathing issues. So there's a new opportunity that we all can explore how this one can benefit your life. And so I personally wear nasal filter for 5 years, 24/7. So there'll be 1,000 hours altogether. I wear that when go to shopping, go to school, go to work, and go to travel. I wear that. I share with the people, and so most likely I wear through my life. But it cannot become a mission or passion that you want to do. And the point I want to say is, if I can wear for 5 years, and most probably can be able to, you wear for some time of the day, or sometime the season that can help you breathing better, breathing healthier, and for all of that. And also, if you do a study about disease, human disease, you always can find that almost 30% of all our disease is associated with breathing. It's kind of like the disease come from either from the mouth or from the nose. So 30% of disease may come from the nose, come into us, and affect our lung, and then affect all the other organ. And 30% maybe from the mouth, from the eating, and 30% maybe from our activity. I didn't have enough activity, or some mental, so all of the other. But it's a tremendously big portion there. So if we can make sure we can breathe in clean air at all time, that's a big deal, huge benefit to our health. And the things here, we get an opportunity that you can use this needle filter to do that. So another thing on the market, when you mention about needle filter, there are some other needle filter on the market. I think we're not to try to compare which one better, which one not. But I think all this needle filter is benefit to you for breathing better air. And one thing very unique about the PSC needle filter is we don't compromise the quality of the filter. And we will not intentionally try to make that invisible, or make that you cannot look at, or you are not noticeable. So we basically is, you definitely know needle filter, and our direction, we try to make the needle filter more compatible with your dressing, make needle filter more beautiful, so that you can put a beauty with you. But we don't compromise the quality of the filter. So this filter is all legit. You can buy from the market. You can from anywhere. This filtration was tested and through all the lab, and you use it, and then you with the airtight seal, so every air goes through your nose is filtered. So you can always testing the leakage. If you're breathing through, if there any leakage, you can feel. You can check it out to make sure the seal really good. So with that, I think PSC needle filter has a very unique position on this future breathing, healthy breathing, area or the industry that is first one, make sure you're breathing safe, make sure you're breathing clean, and then make sure you're breathing comfortable. And so the last one, we try to head to make sure you're breathing beautifully. So when you wear that, it's beautiful. It put up something, and everybody know that you wear something protect you. It's not something that you broke your nose or anything like that. So with that, I think um, we really update our website and really try to put the message in, let more people know this opportunity and discover the opportunity of PSC Needle Filter. And also I want to call in for any investors, if you're willing to, or you've been looking for the opportunity about the healthy breathing marketing. I always say this marketing is $1 trillion marketing. The reason I said that because breathing, diet, and exercise, these all three categories have a same impact to our health. So both these categories can easily impact our life to 5 to 10 years of good life. So they impact our life, our health equally. So we know that that industry is a $1 trillion industry. We know that the fitness industry is a $1 trillion industry. So I will just like is also is reasonable to say that the breathing industry is also a $1 trillion industry. So we are invite all the investors to really look at this opportunity and look at this the problem that need to be solved and look at the way to solving it. And so our PSC Needle Filter really is to tackle that problem, provide the world with a breathing apparatus, and that will be economical, efficient, and comfortable and beautiful, so that help everybody can breathe in clean air. I always constantly see that we all have equal opportunity to enjoy the sun, enjoy the air. We should have the equal opportunity to enjoy the air, but depends on our location, geology location, or depend on our economic position, and every person is different. And because economy reasons, some people uh, may live in the area with higher pollution, and because that some people may cannot afford high quality filter at home, and because your work related, some people may be working the outdoor more, so their work is work outdoor, and some people may be working in the indoor, but their air quality compromised. So everybody don't have equal opportunity access to the clean air, but PSC Needle Filter really give everybody an equal opportunity, that a choice they can breathe in the WHO standard high quality air. It doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter how you rich or poor, but you are all affordable to breathing clean air. So with that, I thank you to listen this video, and I invite you to look through this opportunity, and if you can help us check on website and to purchase one, or if you willing to invest it, you can reach out to Dr. Yang, PSC Solution Company, and we can together adventure this journey. Thank you.